Welcome to Dishing with the Mayor. I'm Jennifer Klein, registered dietitian with Monmouth Medical Center's Live Well Center. And today with us in the WeForm demonstration kitchen is Mayor Halpern with the Borough of Fairhaven. We're so excited to have Mayor Halpern here today with us, and he's going to show us how to make breakfast tacos. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Jennifer. I am very excited to be in the kitchen today. We're here today. We're going to make these breakfast tacos, show a little bit of healthy eating to the Borough of Fairhaven. And I'm excited how these are going to turn out. So join me on this culinary journey as we enjoy all the advantages of healthy eating in the Borough of Fairhaven. All right, we're going to start with the first step here. We have our corn tortillas. We're going to start with a little canola oil in the pan. Take them one by one. We're going to put them in there for about 30 seconds on each side. We want to get them nice and toasty. That's what we're looking for, a nice little crisp. I can hear them sizzling a little bit. We're looking for that nice crisp on each side. I'm going to go ahead and turn them here. Get them going on the other side. Yeah, nice and warm so we can have all the hearty ingredients in there. And I'm going to go ahead now and we're going to take that off, put it on the plate so we can start the process of building our taco. Recipe calls for 8 eggs. We've already taken the opportunity to crack 6 of them, but we're going to crack 2 more here. There's 1. We got 1 more to go. I'm going to get ready for a nice scrambled egg concoction here. And look how smooth it's getting here. Kind of reminds me of how smooth River Road is again in Fairhaven. I'm sure all of our Fairhaven residents can attest to how happy we are to have that situation going on now in our beautiful downtown. All right, that looks good. Now we have the option at this point to throw some green chilies in there. Those green chilies have the look of our beautiful shade trees at Fairhaven Fields and all over our town. We're gonna put a spoonful in there. Got some nice coloring in there. You might give it a little kick, which is nice. There, we're gonna mix it back up again. We're gonna get ready to put them in the pan. I just put some butter in the pan to grease it up so we don't have any of that sticky situation. Go ahead now and pour it in. There we go, and we are off to the races here. We'll start moving it around. Oh, they're cooking already. We got some nice high heat here. I think we're ready to add in our cheese. We have a nice, looks like a cheddar blend here. And we're just going to sprinkle it on top, give a nice coating. Now you can see what a nice look we have here on the eggs. That's going to give a nice melt, and we're going to prepare now to load these tacos up and eat them. A lot of hard work goes into a lot of things we do in Fairhaven. Being in the kitchen is just the same way. So now we're going to make this taco. Grab a shell there. Start with some eggs. For those of you that want some extra protein on your taco, we've got some turkey sausage and turkey bacon here. You could take a toothpick or something like that, push it through the top to keep that shape. But that's what you're looking at. That's a beautiful looking breakfast taco. Thank you for joining me today on the Dishing with the Mayor series. I'm Mayor Halpern. I hope you enjoyed Mayor Halpern's breakfast tacos. I look forward to being here with you again in the future. That is delicious. That's going to get the kids ready for school at Sickles and Knollwood RFH in the morning, that's for sure.